The 2021 VW Atlas key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. You'll know it's time to replace it when the range decreases or the fob becomes unresponsive. Replacing the battery is a simple DIY task that takes about 5 to 10 minutes and requires a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Begin by gathering your tools and a new 3V CR2032 battery. Ensure you have the correct battery type, as using an incorrect battery such as CR2025 can cause malfunctions. To start, locate the small release tab or slot on the fob seam, typically near the keyring. Slide or press the tab to release the latch, then gently pry the halves of the fob apart. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the internal components. Once the case is open, remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old battery. Ensure the battery is correctly aligned with the contacts. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring all seams are securely closed. Test the fob's functionality by attempting to lock and unlock the car from a distance of 20 to 50 feet. If the fob doesn't work immediately, reprogram it via the vehicle's infotainment system by pressing the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously to repair the fob with the car. If issues persist, consult your vehicle's owner's manual or a certified mechanic. Note the VW recall NENSA campaign number 24V-123 addressed key fob synchronization issues in some Atlas models, prompting owners to reprogram fobs after battery changes.